Oh dang, I just looked up, and even though it blends in. We're into November here, and a lot of times these are on their last legs, but I think these three are all right. Wow, they are. 3 ripe Maitakes. Unbelievable. And this oak's alive. They say mature oaks, not just dead ones. Beautiful. Nice and white under there. In November, you know, sometimes you see like they get like yellowy under the side. All right, so here's the other one I got, which is actually a little smaller, which is great. Fearsome foursome. Love it.